In today's video, we will learn how to create your first quiz. Let's get started. MakeForms Quiz Creator offers a variety of customization options to make your quizzes stand out. We've created a short quiz to help you understand the concept. To enable the quiz, go to the form settings and toggle on the Enable Quiz option. Once you do this, a quiz tab will appear here. Your question appears here. You can exclude this question from scoring. Once you do that, you will see the exclude label appear here. For now, just turn this off. You can add various possibilities that you believe a user can enter for this. Next, we disable case sensitivity for this question because someone might enter the answer in lowercase. Now enable the custom score for this question. Let's give 5 marks for the right answer and -5 for the wrong answer. Let's move to the next question. The answer to this question is 184. We don't want to give a negative score for this question, so we will keep it as the default score. Delhi is a correct answer here. Let's give 5 marks for a correct answer and -2 marks if a person selects incorrect answers. Which countries are in Europe? France, Spain, and Germany. These 3 are in Europe. 2 points for each option if the answers are correct, and -1 if they select the wrong answer. This is an advanced level of quiz where you can give negative marks. Let's score our remaining questions. We don't want to give any negative marks here. Let's keep it as the default score. We have set the entire quiz logic here. Move to the thank you page and remove these fields from the screen. Now add the quiz score field. Change the text here. In the basic setting, you can enable the show chart and review answer options. There are 3 options for displaying type. Show points, which we currently have. The second option is show the score in percentage. The third option is show grade. You pass if you score at least 60, distinction if you score a minimum of 75, and excellent if you score above 90. Let's see how it works. Let's complete this quiz. Here it says you have scored 16 out of 25. You scored distinction. Now click on Review Answers. If a response is incorrect, the correct answer for that question is displayed here. This way you can check your response. This is simple, easy and fun way to create a quiz using MakeForms. Stay tuned for more tutorials.